Alright, what's up everybody? It's the Inflatable Superstars John Cena unboxing, and it's from... What year is this from? Hold on. Also, Ryback, Orton, and Punk are in this too, so... What? Oh! Right in the penis. My penis squeaked. 2014? Yeah, 14. Jesus. Oh! It's okay. Alright, here we go. The Inflatable Superstars. If I don't break it pulling it out of the box. This one happens to be John Cena, if I didn't say that already, but John Cena. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. You just gotta blow it up now. Haha, eat that, motherfuckers. No. There he is. John Cena. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even though it's really short. It even has that in the back where you can put your hand in. But like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.